sana surprise ka, and I wish you were here. Happy Valentine's Day, and try to be sweet, sweeter than ever. And I'm gonna sing you the song. Here it goes. Just close your eyes, so fast to sleep. I'm by your side, there no dreams. I got killing, you find at me the best of friends. Yeah, you and me, you always be my little man. The day will come, you'll be this, no matter where you choose to fly. I'll still feel this lullaby. I get you grow and go. That's it for me. You from my home. So hold on. I won't let go. So when you leave, I hope you know you'll always be my little man. The day will come, you'll be there, no matter where you just tonight. I'll just feel this lullaby, and there'll be times when you make mistakes. Yeah, but that's okay, we all do. The things are different 'cause I won't change my love for you. 'Cause you'll always be my little man. The day will come, you'll live this there, no matter where you choose to fly. Until the end is lullaby. Baby, ikaw yung tatawa sa'yo. Sana, I hope you know, I will always love you. Emphasize always. I can't say forever because life is too short. We never know when we will be when we will die or when will God return. And sana sabi ko yun lang. I love you so much and happy Valentine's Day. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. And yan. Ipakita mo naman. Tulungan ako ng mga friends ko. Si Kimboy, si Mal, and Jenny. Pupunta ko pa dahil pinunod ako ng video. And Kimboy, best friend ko, siya yung nag-keyboard for the song. Kasi I know na kanta niya. And although di lang kasama, miss na miss na kita, and mahal kita, and hindi kita magpapalit. And I will always love you, not forever, but as long as I live. And there, I said it. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Have fun. And be happy. Malapit na magkakasama na ulit tayo. Yun lang. Okay ba? Okay na? Oo. I will be, thank you sir. Ngayon, mag-upload pa namin ng video. Kanta ko para sa'yo.
Pagkalampas ng dito,
Wala akong pera pang padala ng mga gift.
nakikita mo.
Yun ang muna ang ibibigay ko sa'yo.
Ay, may nakalagay nga doon. May nakalagay
Dito,
Habang
ayoko pong buksan kasi hindi ko kayang ibalik ulit yung tali. Ayun. From Coffee Clutch. Nagulat ako kay Jella kanina kasi tumawa naman taxi sa akin, nag-miss call. Akala ko emergency. Alam mo, anak na. Yung pala, ito pala. Thank you so much. I'm so surprised and yan na.
makakabili ka ng
Ba, ano ba sabi mo?
Alis na po kami. Thank you.
Ayun
Hindi nakapaghanda na yung speech.
Ano mo sabi mo? Valentine's Day. Sabi ko ano sabi?
Makaan pa naman ako yung mamaya.
Wala, post daw, post. Post? Okay, kita. Ikaw, ano sabi mo sa bigay sa'yo ni Princess?
Hi, Princess! How thoughtful naman ng view. Naalaala mo ako ng Valentine's Day.
Oh, wala pa
Thank you
dyan.
very much. Thank you at gusto ka na dyan. At alam ko naman na lagi rin kayo magkausap ni PA. So, kumusta mo lang at kumusta rin sa mami mo, daddy. Happy Valentine's to